Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know how we do it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you're already here, make sure you watch till the end. Like I told you all, this is a channel where we're going to grow together. The channel is grow with me, grow with me. So we're going to be growing together, and we're going to be looking at a few things. First of all, how to achieve financial freedom. And then life is not just about finances, right? We need to balance up having finances and family. So we're going to be looking at family, parenting tips, talk about marriage, talk about relationships. We're going to be talking about all those things on this channel, right? But today, what are we looking at? First up, we're going to start looking at how we can make money on the digital space. And this video that I'm doing right now is on our YouTube channel. And so let's start off with the platform where we are right now, YouTube. Why have we not started a YouTube channel yet? Yeah. I'm listening. Come up, yes. You're shy on the camera. Oh, your camera shy. Okay, but do you know that there are faceless YouTube channels? So, what's the next excuse again? Oh, you don't know where to get the expertise from. Do you know that there are AI apps right now that you can use to make faceless YouTube faceless YouTube videos without needing any expertise? So what's the next one? Or you don't know how to use them. Do you know about ChatGPT? Do you know that everything you want is right there in that space? I just need to put up the prompt and it gives you the response. Are you aware of that? So what's the next excuse? Why haven't you started a YouTube channel yet? All right. I think you run out of excuses, right? And so let me just tell you a few little things you need to know. So we've always watched the videos where they tell us start. Yes, start. That is right, start. But what do you need to start a YouTube channel? Nothing much. You just go on Google. I'm sure we all have Gmails, right? You just go to your Gmail, you see where it says YouTube or start a channel. Okay, look for a channel name. Get it. You do the let's do a quick checklist of what you need when you want to start a channel. You look for a channel name. And what is going to motivate your channel name, your niche. What do you want to do in your channel? What do you want to talk about in your channel? There are a few niches. Maybe you want to talk about health. Maybe you want to talk about cooking. Maybe you want to do health, lifestyle. Maybe you want to do fitness. Maybe you just want to document your life. You want to do like vlogging. You want to just, oh, okay, today I'm traveling. Hey guys, I'm traveling today. Let's travel with me. Things like that. Hey guys, I'm doing this today. Do this with me. Things like that. Right? There is content. A lot of people are doing it out there and are making huge sums of money from it. Yes, you are a stay-at-home mom with so many kids and you don't know where to start from. Get your kids engaged. They're going to love it. They're going to find it that's fun because first off, it's going to be a time where you bond with your kids. And I'm saying this from experience. Like I told you guys, this channel that I'm using right now initially used to be a family channel, but we started a new one. If you can check up Franella and Family YouTube channel, you're going to see our channel there. And we started up that new YouTube channel. So when we are doing these videos, what are we doing? We are bonding with the kids. We are having that moment. Starting a YouTube channel, you just like I was saying, you need to pick a niche. Now you need to find what interests you the most. You need to do something that is that interests you the most, like something that you know that you can actually grow in, something that you know that you can bring your income, right? Yes, we need to do what interests us. We need to do what motivates us outside of the income. But we need to think about, why are we on this channel again? Financial freedom. That is why we are here. So we are looking at different means, different methods that are going to give us financial freedom eventually. And I bet you right now, I'm going to tell you right now, as I'm doing this very first or this second video on this channel, YouTube is not a today, tomorrow thing, right? YouTube is going to be something that you're going to start it. It's going to take you a while to grow, to nurture your channel. So there's just so many things that you need to do to get your channel to being monetized, to get your channel to having affiliate sponsorships, to get your channel to start earning from ads. There is different ways that you can get your channel to be monetized. And then subsequent videos, we're going to talk about how you can monetize your channel, even on the first week on being on YouTube, the first week on being on YouTube, how you can monetize those channels, what you can do to monetize the channel, to start making income from the channel. And when I say to monetize the channel, I'm talking about making income from the channel without necessarily waiting for YouTube, without necessarily waiting for Google AdSense to make you income. So we're going to be looking at all those things. So let's look at the reasons again why you need to start YouTube. Financial freedom, passive income. You're able to build a community, create knowledge, share knowledge to people, right? It doesn't require a large investment. What do I need to start a YouTube channel? And in my phone, we all have smartphones. It must not be an iPhone. Even if it's an Android phone, it makes it still good, right? So what do you need? You need your phone. We all have smartphones. You need your smartphone. You need to pick a niche. You need you can start by using lightning from your window, just by the window side, just like I'm doing right now. I'm sitting very next to the window. So just things like that, so that you can have lightning, you can have your videos brighten out. So even if you don't have the means right now to get lightning, and lightning must not be very expensive. You go on the TikTok shop, you'll see selfie sticks that have you see tripods that have that come along with their lights and all that. And you need mics. I'm not using a mic right now. I know I have one, yes, but I'm going to use it eventually. But if you feel like you don't want to scream so much that people can get you, you can go on with your mics. But the first important thing that you need is your Android phone. It's your smartphone that we all have. The other things are going to come in. You just need your smartphone and you get on it if you want to do like you want to do the videos with your face. But if you want to do YouTube automation, like faceless videos, then that's when you start thinking about the AI tools that you need, the AI apps that you need to use, or you start thinking of sourcing for team members that are going to do the videos for you, or you think about learning them, right? You think about learning them. There are things that we all can learn and do it by ourselves if you don't want to spend the money on those things. But you just need all of these things put together. You just need to understand why you want to start the channel. You need to, next thing you need to think about a niche. You pick a niche. How do you pick a niche? You pick a niche depending on your hobbies, depending on what you like most, depending on you as a person. So I'm somebody who's always thinking, like I there's always so many things on my mind. I'm always thinking about too many things, and I realize that I'm easy to talk to. I'm easy to talk to. I have a lot of people who reach out to me, talk to me. We vibe. We talk about things here and there. So why not come on the channel? Why not come on the channel and share some of the things that I'm thinking in my mind? I'm thinking about a whole lot of things. I'm thinking about how I'm going to make my life better, the life of my family better. How am I going to constantly be there for my kids? So all of those things, I'm thinking about them, and I'm like, this is a time for me to document all these thoughts so that when they finally mature, I can see where I started from. So that's my reason. I can see where I started from, because I know that where I'm going to, I'm definitely going to get there. But when I get there, I want to be able to see where I'm coming from. You get the point. Somebody can start a family vlogging channel. You just want to see your kids grow. You don't want to miss any step of their life. You don't want anything to be missing. Of course, if you have your Google, if you have your login details, even how many years later you're going to be able to access your YouTube videos. I remember a video that one of my sons had done like 6 years ago, and he just shared the link with us about 2 months ago, and he was like, "Mommy, do you remember this video?" And we watched it, and we're all like, that was a very old video. Back then I was still in Cameroon. We didn't even know what YouTube was. I don't know how that my son, how he even knew about it and all that. But yeah, so that's it. People just choose to document those areas of their life. So just pick a niche, pick the niche that interests you the most, the niche that you know that you can excel in, the niche that is not going to bore you, that's going to make you be who you are. So yes, when you've picked that niche, you have your smartphone, you are ready for YouTube. You are ready to start YouTube. Don't overcomplicate it. Y'all are seeing me. I'm sitting right here on my office chair. I'm in my office, girl. I'm in my office doing this video. I don't want to make it overcomplicated. And when I'm done, I'm going to upload the video the way it is. Like the way I want to do this channel, I want to avoid editing as much as possible. I'm just going to give you all the real me, like Everything that I do, I just upload it the way it is. I might do a few edits here or there, but not very much. So don't overcomplicate it. Pick a niche, start the channel, start doing the videos. Don't overcomplicate it, and stay consistent. If you decide that you want to be posting every day, try to post every day. I know that's the difficult part. Don't try to be perfect. Yes, don't try to be perfect. The idea of being perfect, I don't want to say it's a very bad idea. I want to look for another word that doesn't use the word bad but still means bad. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's good to be perfect, but you know what the Bible says? You know what the Bible says about perfection? No man is perfect except you are God. There is no man that is perfect. And each time you want to be perfect, that's when you get the drawback. Like, I want to do this thing so well before I can ever upload a video. I want to make sure that I can speak very well. I want to make sure that that my video content is very polished. I want to make sure that what are the other things that you want to make sure about? Like, you want to make sure everything is looking perfect. No, 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 no. That is not what we are doing here. What we are doing here is bringing our imperfect selves to grow together and work towards perfection. We are going to work towards perfection. So let's not try to be perfect. Let's just get on and start and be consistent. If you're going to do videos every day, try to do the videos every day. I just finished from work right now and I'm trying to do this video right now before I can upload it. So that is how we are going to be on this channel. Let's try to be consistent. So when you have started your channel, when you're not thinking about perfection, when you're being consistent, you have to also engage with your audience. If they are leaving comments in the leaving comments, you make sure you're responding to the comments. Like, they're asking you questions, make sure you're doing that. And I expect you all to do the same, right? Like, if you're watching this video and you have a question, please drop the question. If you have a comment, if you have something you need to tell me that you feel like I can do better in the next video, like I said, we are not trying. I'm not perfect, and I'm not willing to be perfect before I come to start doing this thing, because I need to start doing it now. Time is against me, right? So if you see something that I'm doing that you feel like, oh, I can do it better, please leave a comment down there. Let me know what I can do better. Let me know where you feel like, oh, I think you can adjust this video like this and it's gonna be like this. I'm very open to that. And so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain if you start your channel today. There is nothing you're gonna lose. You're gonna gain everything, because when this channel starts making waves, when the channel starts going viral, the video that you made 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, a year back, 2 years back starts getting heavy views, then you remember, oh, now I'm getting everything. When you start, it might be slow and discouraging, but don't give up. Just keep going step after step, and you are going to look at when you started and be happy that you started. Everyone, please leave a like like this video, subscribe, leave a comment out, tell me maybe something you want us to talk about in the next video. Please leave a comment out for that. And until next time, thank you. This is your girl Melanie. Thank you all. Peace.